I just had to recreate this cinnamon girl makeup look. It's soft, glowy, and so pretty. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, and all things pretty. If that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. First, I'm mixing my e.l.f. Halo Glow with my sunscreen to keep the base fresh and natural. I'm layering it little by little for that lightweight skin-like finish. Next, I go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, just a thin layer to cover my acne marks and brighten the under eyes while keeping everything looking natural. For blush, I'm using Rare Beauty liquid blush. Since it's super pigmented, I warm it up on the back of my hand before tapping it onto the high points of my face for that lifted, youthful vibe. I keep my brows natural, just brush them up and set them with a Benefit brow setter. Once that's done, I set my T-zone with a touch of Milani pressed powder to keep the base lightweight and natural. I'm using Hoola Bronzer to softly contour my nose. I start at the inner brow bone and blending down the side. Then a tiny line on the tip of my nose for that snatched effect. A little white shadow on the nose bridge and tip gives it that defined, slim nose look. I also warm up my jawline and cheekbones for that soft definition. For eyes, I'm keeping it simple with a bronzer blended into the outer corners of my eyes. I line a sharp liner to elongate my eyes, and I also define the inner corners to make it look defined and give that lifted foxy eye look. A little Shimmer Shadow in the inner corner to make my eyes look pop. I take the same Shimmer Shadow to highlight my nose tip and the nose bridge. I curl my lashes really well before I apply the mascara on the top lashes only. To lock in the blush, I add a light layer of pink powder blush on the top of the liquid blush. For lips, I overline my cupid's bow, and for the rest, I follow my natural lip line. Once it's done, I blend my edges to give a blur look. Then I top it off with Peripera Ink Velvet for that soft finish. And to tie it all together, a touch of Dewy Balm on the cheeks and brow bone for that glassy, glowing skin. And that's the Cinnamon Girl makeup look. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what look you want me to do next. Love you all. See you in the next one. Bye.